Hey guys, how you all doing? I trust you're doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my newfound tea, how I make my newfound weight loss tea. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you the stuffs that I use. Number one is my ginger, slice it anyway, and my lemon. I cut it and squeeze out the juice into the pot. And my tea, I got this from Migros. If you're in Switzerland, you can find it. It's in the Migros or any tea of your choice. Lipton, if you're in Nigeria, you can use Lipton or any tea, any green tea. So this one also, I mixed two of them together. But it consists of cinnamon stick and mint leaf. So this is my cinnamon powder. It's not necessary. If you have your cinnamon stick, you can leave cinnamon powder, or if you have cinnamon powder, you can leave cinnamon stick. It depends on how you want it. But me, I used to join two of them together. If you notice, I've lost some fat. Yes, before my face used to be like this, but I'm noticing some things, and my tummy also is not going to go down like you close your eyes, everything will vanish. You need to be consistent, steady and consistent. Let me just use it like that. You need to be consistent for you to get that result. Eating well, doing your exercise, taking your tea, and living healthy. Living healthy is the goal. So as a mother of four, I finished giving birth, so I want to slay that look. I don't want to look like old mama. If somebody see me, they will be like, have you given birth to 4 kids? So it's how I want to look like. That's why I'm on this journey. And also, I'm not on this journey for anybody. Yes, I'm doing it for myself, to live healthy, to live for my children. That's why I'm on this journey. So let's make the tea. So as I explained before, these are the things that I'll be using to make the tea. So I'm going to peel this garlic and squeeze out. So let's go, follow me through the process. This is my diced ginger. My cinnamon. Tea bag. So I'm going to add, and this one too, in with my water. So this is okay. Let's cook in 50. You can cook like 15 minutes. So guys, this is our tea. It's almost 15 minutes that I left it to boil. So taste it. That's it. This is what our tea looks like. Our tea is ready. So tell me in the comment section if you're going to be trying this. Try to take it with an empty stomach. It will help you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.